Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Fear of death increases in exact proportion to increase in wealth. It is better to offer no excuse than a bad one. If you want to change people, why not begin on yourself? That is a lot more profitable and a lot less dangerous. Seek wisdom, not knowledge. Knowledge is of the past. Wisdom is of the future. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. It is better to make an approximately correct decision than to make a precise mistake. Success is stumbling from failure to failure with no loss of enthusiasm. He who walks straight rarely falls. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. You can overcome bad habits only today, not tomorrow. Never close your lips to those whom you have already opened your heart to. To let people follow them. Stupid is the man who always remains the same. Never compete with someone who has nothing to lose. Everyone at some time or another sits down to a banquet of consequences. He suffers more than necessary, who suffers before it is necessary. The reason why worry kills more people than work is that more people worry than work. Whoever violated trust once loses it forever. Everything that happens before death is what counts. Life did not intend to make us perfect. Whoever is perfect belongs in a museum. Sometimes people don't want to hear the truth because they don't want their illusions destroyed. To be able to forget means sanity. Sometimes people don't want to hear the truth because they don't want their illusions destroyed. The secret to success is to do the common things uncommonly well. Your enemies can kill you, but only your friends can hurt you. If you can't do great things, do small things in a great way. People willingly believe what they want to believe. Laws are like cobwebs, which may catch small flies, but let wasps and hornets break through. The first man gets the oyster, the second man gets the shell. If you're going to try, go all the way. Otherwise, don't even start. What we do now echoes in eternity. Don't wait for the right opportunity, create it. If a man knows more than others, he becomes lonely. The only person with whom you have to compare ourselves is that you in the past, and the only person better you should be is who you are now. The world belongs to the patient. Smart people learn from everything and everyone. Average people from their experiences. Stupid people already have all the answers. Things may come to those who wait, but only the things left by those who hustle. No woman or man really knows what perfect love is until they have been married a quarter of a century. Fiction is the lie through which we tell the truth. The meaning of life is to give life meaning. Do not envy other people's good qualities, but instill them in yourself through admiration. Who of you, by worrying, can add a single hour to his life? Rules for happiness: something to do, someone to love, something to hope for. Do not say a little in many words, but a great deal in a few. Women are more likely to cheat on their partners when they are ovulating. Nature has given men one tongue but two ears, that we may hear from others twice as much as we speak. When we give someone our time, we actually give a portion of our life that we will never take back.